గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఓమైసిటిస్ క్లాస్. ఫంగీలో ఓమైసిటిస్ క్లాస్ ఫర్ బీజెడ్సి ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఈఎం స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ బీసీసీఎస్. హియర్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ద class ఓమైసిటిస్. You observe the general characters. Oomycetes fungal members grow in water. Generally, these members are seen in the water. So are called water fungi and aquatic fungi. Then fungal mycelium is filamentous. That means the plant body is filamentous and branched, have branches. Aseptate. That means in between septas are absent. This is the fungal structure. Here septas are absent, only nucleus are present. This type of body is called as cenocytic. Then multinucleated cenocytic body. Some of these fungi are saprophytes, some are parasites, or both. Oomycetes member cell wall is made of cellulose. A sexual reproduction of Oomycetes members is through pear-shaped biflagellate heterozoospores. Oomycetes members' male reproductive structure is called as antheridium and female reproductive organ is called as oogonium. Zygote is called oospore. Oomycetes sexual reproduction is through gametangial contact. Then here in Oomycetes class, albugo is fungal member name. Albugo or cystopus. Here division is Eumycota, subdivision is Mastigomycotina, class is Oomycetes, order is Pernosporiales, family is Albuginaceae. Here first you observe the habitat of the albugo. Albugo causes white rust disease. This is important thing. It is caused the white rust disease. Albugo candida species causes white rust disease and Brassicaceae cruciferaceae members like mustard plant, cabbage, radish, cauliflower, turnip, etc. That means the habitat, this is the spots. This is the spot, white rust spot. That means you observe that this is the mustard leaf. Mustard leaf have the number of spots. These spots are white color spot. You observe the under the microscope and each and every spot produce the number of filaments or mycelium of the albugo. Then the mycelium produce the small tube like structures. These are called as hastoria. This hastoria is penetrate into the leaf cells and absorb the nutrients and food materials from the leaf cell. Okay, generally this is attack this fungal member live as parasite on attack and the crucifery members. Crucifery means they have the mustard, cabbage, radish, cauliflower. This type of plants are belonging to the crucifery family. Then you observe the habit. This is habitat or thallus structure. Here albugo mycelium is filamentous. That means they have number of filaments. Branched, then they are shows the number of branches. Aseptate, that means in between cell wall is absent, so aseptate. Tubular and multinucleated, and after growing in the host tissue, fungal mycelium develops small peg-like structure. This is peg means hastoria. Peg-like structure called hastoria. This is the hastoria. Then growing in the host tissue and which absorb nutrients from the host cell. Each hastoreum will have a head and a small tail. Hastoreum is lacking the cell wall and has only plasma membrane. It have the only plasma membrane. Here cell wall is absent. Cell wall of the pathogen is made up on cellulose and the reserve food material is in the form of glycogen. Here cell wall is made with cellulose of the albugo, then reserve food material is glycogen. This is about habit and habitat of the albugo plant. Then in next class you observe the reproduction process. Then coming to the reproduction process, here reproduction is asexual and sexual in albugo. In albugo, two types of reproduction methods, asexual and sexual. First one, asexual reproduction. Albugo reproduce asexually through the formation of sporangia or conidia in favorable condition. In favorable condition, it is reproduced in asexually with form of the sporangia or conidia. After the mycelium is well developed in the intracellular spaces of the host tissue, it grows towards the lower epidermis of the leaves and develops short and club-shaped structure called as sporangiophores or conidiophores. Each conidiophore develops globose conidia or spores in a chain-like manner. These conidia develops in basipetal sequence, that means apical to base. When the conidia or spore are developing the tip of the conidiophore, a construction forms to separate spore. Here observe the structure and development of the albugo conidias. First, this is infected leaf, white rust on the raphanous leaf. This is the spots. You coming to this spot is observed under the microscope. It is shows the this type of structure. This is a host epidermis. Then this is the mycelium. Generally, this mycelium is totally occupied the intercellular spaces of the leaf cell. Then they produce the conical shaped conidiophore. These are called as conidiophore. This conidiophore apical region produce the conidiums. These globular structures are called as conidium. Then this manner these are arranged into number of cells. Number of conidiums are occurred here. The development is basipetalous formation. That means conidia is apical to base. Development is occurred here, apical to base. Then you observe the conidium structure. This is the conidium structure. Then later this conidium in favorable condition directly develops the mycelium of the albugo. But in some cases in unfavorable condition, this is indirected method, free nuclear division. Here occurred the free nuclear division. The cell wall is a very thick cell wall is overlap the conidium. Then later they produce the number of free nuclear division. That means single nuclear divide and redivide produce number of nucleus. Then later each and every nucleus is surrounded with the cell wall. Then later it is produced the bean shaped structure and flagella. One is a whiplash flagella, another one is a smooth flagella. Whiplash flagella means they have the small hair like structure. Okay, then these are zoospores formation. Then this conidium is blasted, then later release the zoospores. Then these zoospores produce the rust of the leaf. This manner asexual reproduction is occurs number of times and produce the number of conidias and it is produce the mycelium. That means this manner the disease of the fungal is totally spread the total plant body of the cruciferous family or raphanous plant. This is about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Then coming to the sexual reproduction, in favorable condition, some filaments are modified into oogonium, some are modified into the antheridium. Antheridium is a flask shaped structure. Oogonium is look like as globular structure and it is have the small stalk. Then in favorable condition they produce the number of nuclei. It is also have the number of nuclei. This is oogonium, this is antheridium. Then it is undergoes the reduction division and produce the number of nucleus. Then here the conjugation tube is occurred. Here conjugation tube is occurred. Oogonium nucleus and antheridial nucleus both are fused and produce the oospore. The zygote is called as oospore. This nucleus is diploid nucleus because this is a haploid nucleus, this is haploid nucleus. Both are fused by the conjugation tube. Then afterwards it is undergoes the free nuclear division. Then this nucleus undergoes the free nuclear division. That means number of nucleus are developed. Then each and every nucleus is surrounded with cell wall and bean shaped or kidney shaped zoospores are formed. Then zoospores are later infect the plant cell. Okay. This is the process of sexual reproduction. This type of sexual reproduction is called as oogamous type of sexual reproduction is occurred in the fungal member.